Yes, sister, good morning. আজি আমি কন্টেন্ট আকৌ পঢ়িব লাগিব এক্সাৰসাইজ 5.1 ৰ কোৱেশ্চন আছে কৰিবলৈ তো 5.1 ৰ কোৱেশ্চন কৰিব লাগিব আকৌ আজি তাৰ আগতে আমি এটা বস্তু খাওঁ স্যান্ডউইচ বুলি এটা থিওৰেম আছে সেই থিওৰেমটো আমি লিখি লৈছো বৰ্ডত আৰু স্যান্ডউইচ থিওৰেমটো ইউজ কৰি আমি এক্সাৰসাইজ 5.1 ৰ question number 24 to solve কৰিব লাগিব এটা স্যান্ডউইচ থিওৰেমটো ক্লাস 11 ৰ লিমিটস এন্ড ডেৰিভেটিভ যেটো চেপ্টাৰ হেতু চেপ্টাৰতে আছিল according to স্যান্ডউইচ থিওৰেম হেতু থিওৰেম মতে কি হ'ল if three function f g and h be three function x in the same variable যদি দুটা কন্ডিশন স্যাটিসফাই কৰে this way f of x less than equal to g of x less than equal to h of x. First one, and limit x tends to 0, x tends to a be any real number. Limit x tends to a f of x, L equal to limit x tends to a h of x. Duta function hx or fx or limit or value to the same hoy for any real number a, then this L, that is the limit of this function f of x and the limiting value of this function h of x equal to the L power, this L is equal to limit of the function g of x equal to L. To send this term to আমি just মন ৰাখিব লাগিব এতিয়া আমি কোৱেশ্চন নাম্বাৰ 24 টো সলভ কৰি লব পাৰিম এটা আমি আহোচোন কোৱেশ্চন নাম্বাৰ 24 এক্সাৰসাইজ 5.1 ৰ 24 নম্বৰ কোৱেশ্চনত ডিটাৰমাইন if f is defined by এটা ফাংচন f ডিফাইন কৰিছে do value one is x square into sin 1 by x if x is not equal to 0. Another one is 0 if x equal to 0. Now, is this function is a continuous function? The function to continuous hoy ne nohoy ami check koribo lage. First, here breaking point. Here 0 is the breaking point. X equal to 0. Therefore, 0 is the breaking point. Breaking point is 0. To 0 breaking point যদি হয় আমি এটা 0 পয়েন্টত তাৰ কন্টিনিউটি চেক কৰিম at x equal to 0 at x equal to 0 তো সলিউশন স্টার্ট কৰিছো at x equal to 0 পয়েন্টত at x equal to 0 limit x tends to 0 x tends to 0 left hand limit আৰু right hand limit আমি দুটা separately নুলাও কাৰণ here x is not equal to 0 means either এটো কি মিন কৰিছে either x greater than 0 or x less than 0 for these two cases either x greater than 0 or x less than 0 the value of f of x is same. The value of f of x is same for either x greater than 0 or x less than 0. Therefore, since for x greater than 0 and for x less than 0, the value of f of x is same. Therefore, we have to find only the limit x tends to 0. We need not to find left hand limit and right hand limit because their functional value is same for greater than 0 and for less than 0. So we have to find only limiting value. No need to find left hand and right hand limit. Now limit x tends to 0 f of x is equal to limit x tends to 0. What is the value of f of x? X tends to 0. X 0 goise either from left breaking point is 0 x tends to 0 either from left x tends to 0 either from right, x tends to 0 either from left, or x tends to 0 either from right, their functional value is same. That is, their functional value is x square into sine 1 by x. Their functional value is same. Now, here, if we substitute x equal to 0, since x tends to 0, if we substitute x equal to 0, then this angle sine 1 by x, this is sine 1 by x. If we substitute x equal to 0 here, then this becomes 1 by 0, which is undefined. Therefore, we cannot find x tends to 0 in this 1 by x. 1 by x ot ami x or value to 0 put koribo noaru. 1 by x ot ami x equal to jodi 0 put kori diu, tele 1 by 0 hoi jabo, which is undefined hoi jabo. Now, ami etia ei part or result to ulabole use koribo lagibo this sandwich theorem. Now, dia mo side ot a result to mo side ot kori dim, result to bhalke mon koriba x square sine 1 by x equal to ami kiman pam. Now, here, this part. We know that the range of sine for any angle is always lies between -1 and 1. Here, for x not equal to 0. Here, x is not equal to 0. X to 0 hobo noare. Now, x square sine 1 by x hole ami convert korim x square into sine 1 by x. Yad ase only sine 1 by x. But x square eta lagibo sine square x square into sine 1 by x ami ki korile pam jodi moi x square dai into kori diu x square sine 1 by x, x square sine 1 by x, x is not equal to 0. Then -1 আৰু 1 or ভিতৰত sine or range to lies কৰে for x not equal to 0. Now x square into sine 1 by x square into sine 1 by x আমি কেতিয়া পাম? When this is multiplied by x square. আমি গোটেই inequality to x square দি multiply কৰি দিছো. X square into -1 minus x square, x square into 1 x square into sine 1 by x. Now, suppose this is f of x. Here this theorem to f of x. Another one is g of x. This is suppose g of x. And another one is h of x. And this is suppose h of x. That is minus x square. This is f of x. Theorem to milai so f of x. G of x means x square sine 1 by x. H of x means x square. The theorem to milwa bisot. If limit x tends to a f of x or x tends to a h of x of value sound. Now, f of x function of value to. Here f of x means x square. Limit x tends to 0, x square. And h of x. Limit x tends to 0, x tends to 0. This is minus x square. And this x square. Both the value is 0. Here the theorem to say f of x less than g of x less than equal to h of x. That is minus x square less than minus x square less than this less than x square. First one to moi f of x here lower compare korisu. Second one to g of x here compare korisu. Third one to h of x here compare korilu. Now, limit of f of x of value, limit of h of x of value, limit of minus x square, limit of x square both equal to 0. Then by this theorem, the value of the g of x that is in the middle jitu ase, that is therefore limit x tends to 0. G of x means x square sine 1 by x. যেটো g of x gx ৰ ভ্যালুটো l হলে l থাকিব that is ইয়াত 0 যদি আছে this 0 therefore this 0 ইয়াত 0 আহি গল গতিকে আমি using this sandwich theorem limit x tends to 0 sin square x 1 by x equal to 0 that is this value আমি পাই গলো 0 all of student বিলাক ভালকৈ চোৱা sandwich theorem to পঢ়িলো এবাৰ পঢ়াৰ পিছত ইয়াৰ ৰিজাল্টটো ইউজ কৰিবলৈ এবাৰ মিলাই চোৱা এই ৰিজাল্টটো এনেকৈ আছে নহয় এই থিওৰামটোৰ লগত এটো মই কম্পেয়াৰ কৰি দিছো কম্পেয়াৰ কৰাৰ পিছত মই তাৰ ৰিজাল্টটো 0 পাইছো লিমিটিং ভ্যালু ইজ 0 and f of 0 0 point f of 0 if x equal to 0 then f of x equal to 0 that is f of 0 is 0 since limit x tends to 0 f of x equal to f of 0 palo therefore f is continuous at x equal to 0 so breaking point on ami continuous boli check korilo next etia breaking point or right or left dot jodi x equal to 0 breaking point hoy breaking point or right dot that is for the value greater than 0 and for the value of x less than 0 continuity hoy na hoy ami next it ami check koru okay student yat moi next year likhisu for x greater than 0 and for x less than 0 that is ami etia ulabo lagibo this is the breaking point 0 and for x greater than 0 for x less than 0 this portion এই পোরশন বিলাক ফাংশনটো কন্টিনিউয়াস হয় নে নহয় আমি চেক কৰিব লাগে এইকিটা পোরশনত ফাংশনটো কন্টিনিউয়াস হয় নে নহয় আমি চেক কৰিম that is we have to check for x greater than 0 and for x less than 0 0 নহয় 0 কে ডাঙৰ বা 0 কে সৰু let since the value of f of x is same for x greater than 0 and for x less than 0 ওদিকে মই দুটা x greater than 0 আৰু x less than 0 দুটা কাৰণে সেপাৰেটলি মই সলভ নকৰো এনেকৈ কৰিলাম let x equal to c which is not equal to 0 suppose c is any real number which is not equal to 0 then limit x tends to c is not equal to 0 f of x limit x tends to c x equal to c which is not equal to 0 if this is x is not equal to 0 then f of x is x square sine 1 by x this is f of x is x square sine 1 by x now we can substitute in the place of x ami x or height c likhibo parim because c is not equal to 0 jehetu c to 0 nohoy therefore we can write this c square into sine 1 by c to c to jodi 0 nohoy 1 by c ami likhibo parim sine 1 by c this is the limiting value and f of c is also where c is not equal to 0 if c is not equal to 0 then x is not equal to 0 f of x is this okay f of c mane hoy gol c square sine 1 by c also here limiting value of this function is equal to functional value where c not equal to 0 therefore f of x is continuous at x equal to c not equal to 0 so here f is continuous at x equal to 0 f is continuous for all x not equal to 0 0 point of continuous hoy 0 point of bad di baki bilagoto continuous hoy godike ami kobo parim therefore f of x is therefore the function is continuous How to still determine is this function is a continuous function? আমি conclude কৰিলো therefore the function is continuous function. Therefore the function is a continuous function. To students, a question number 24 to অলপ complicated হয় 24 number question to অলপ চাবা ফাৰ্ষ্ট তুমি চেইনডুইচ থিয়ৰেমটো এবাৰ ভালকৈ পঢ়ি ল'বা তো চেইনডুইচ থিয়ৰেমৰ ৰিজাল্টটো ইয়াত মই কিদৰে ইউজ কৰিছোঁ হাউ কেন আই ইউজ দিছ চেইনডুইচ থিয়ৰেম হিয়াৰ ইয়াত কম্পেয়াৰ কৰি চাওঁ ইয়াত কম্পেয়াৰ কৰি চাবা ইয়াত চোৱাৰ পিছত তুমি তাৰ ৰিজাল্টটো এইটো পাবা বাকীবিলাক ইমান কমপ্লিকেটেড নহয় জাষ্ট এই পাৰ্টটোত অলপ কমপ্লিকেটেড তাৰ কাৰণে আমি এটা থিয়ৰেম শিকিছোঁ চেইনডুইচ থিয়ৰেম তো চেইনডুইচ থিয়ৰেমটো ইউজ কৰি এই কুৱেশ্যনটো অলপ প্ৰেক্টিছ কৰিবা তেতিয়াহ'লে কমপ্লিট হৈ যাব 24 নম্বৰ কুৱেশ্যনটো আমাৰ এতিয়া হৈ গৈছে